Hey guys, welcome back for another week. Happy August, and this is Senpai back with Stonks Society, and we are back here on Sunday to go over my top 5 stocks and setups for this week. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. So first off, we have Neo. So Neo had quite the little corrective phase here after a nice move upwards from May all the way till July. After here, we did hit this upper trend line indicated by this red line, and then we came back down and began this corrective phase. So here we have an ABC correction, putting in a wave 2 right here at this golden pocket retracement, which is the ideal place to go long on a retracement like this on a wave 2. So as long as this $39.25 area holds here, we can infer that this is the short-term low and we are going to break higher. So here we can see that the major pivot point is this area right here. So we can call this round up to 47.5. So above 47.5 or this wave B correction here, we can confirm to the upside that we are indeed beginning this next wave up. And this is a larger degree wave 3. So this is looking to be a very strong wave up, and we are looking to potentially reach the $60 region on this wave. So definitely keep an eye on that. So the two levels to really watch here are the recent low that we put in this lower 39 region to the downside, and then we have to the upside 47.5 to break to the upside. So yeah, that is Neo. So next up, we do have Qualcomm. So Qualcomm here looks very, very nice. After this long consolidation phase from the long break upwards from February, we came down, retraced all the way from this 168 region all the way down to 123 over the course of around 1 month. And then we've been consolidating in this tight range ever since. So here we can see we have a double bottom. So we have first bottom here and the second one here. This is also known as the W pattern. So we can see that we have nice double bottom here and are continuing upwards. So you see by this green box, we do have indicated a very large gap that has not been filled yet. And we can see that from this candle here to this one here. So above here, above this gap, we can see quite a nice move upwards. So I would say above this 152 region, we can see targets up in the 155, 160, and 162 region up here before we see some sort of pullback. So keep an eye on this one above this gap. We can see a nice move upwards potentially. And otherwise, if we can't hold this, we have this gap to fill downward as well. This gap to the downside from this 146 region all the way down to 143. So definitely keep on watch these two levels and see which way we break. Next up, we have ROKU. So ROKU here is a very, very top watch for me, probably top 2 for this week. So ROKU here, after making this low here, which we did indicate from last week, this was on the watch list that we've been keeping an eye on for the past 2 weeks actually. I believe 2 weeks ago, this did finally break out. We got an insane move upwards all the way from this 425 to 490 region. And afterwards, we were looking for that retracement downwards. We weren't going to buy up in this region, and we did get that retracement as anticipated. So we are now in this golden pocket region, in this Fibonacci box, in this 426 to 429 region, and this is the area for optimal buying. So if we can see buyers step in at this region and we can see some sort of consolidation and hold of this level, ideally we can see some flow come in here as well, then we can infer that this wave 2 is in and we are looking for wave 3 higher. Next up, we have Tesla. So Tesla has been on the watch list much more recently because we are getting to the point where it is make or break, and it is very, very interesting to see where we are finally breaking upwards and looks to be where we are about to end this very long, prolonged corrective phase that we had for this wave 3 to wave 4. So we have been correcting really since the beginning of the year in January all the way till now. And what we really need to see here is that strength to continue from the end of the week last week, and we need to see $700 break. Above $700, we confirm many things. We confirm quite a few uh, breaking points here, and this is a very important major pivot level. So above $700 would confirm the beginning of this wave one, and more importantly, the beginning of a larger degree wave five and the end of this corrective phase. So above $700, we can see quite the large jump. Tesla is one of those stocks that likes to overshoot. Um, and overreach its anticipated targets. So we really can see over a break of $700, we can see very quickly something in the 730 to 750 range in the same week, maybe the same few days. It's very possible. So definitely keep this on your watch. $700 is the level that everybody will be watching. So people that are short here are probably having their stop losses put right at $700. So above there, I do believe we do get quite a quick move and a lot of volume coming into the stock as well. So definitely keep this on watch. And then lastly, to wrap this up, we have Walmart. So Walmart here has been consolidating for quite a while as to see here. And we can see we are bouncing off of this trend line, which I can show like this. So we can see Walmart here has been holding this support trend line indicated by this green line here 3 times now. So this is a very strong upwards trend line. And then we have to the downside, we have this these two red trend lines here acting as that resistance. So you can see here we did finally break into this first zone and by this solid red line, and then we have this final zone of this this dashed line here. So above this, I do believe we are going to be in a full breakout mode for Walmart, which has just been really waiting for to happen. And we're just being patient here because we can see here Walmart really isn't the quickest mover until it is in true breakout mode. So once it does break out of this level and to confirm above this red region, I would like to see above 144, this previous swing high. So this would confirm that this is indeed not the high where we do have some more juice to the upside. So above 144, we can see this 145 region get hit, and then we get this 147 half, and then potentially 150. And if 150 gets taken out, we may see some sort of a pullback in this region first, perhaps back down to the 146 to 148 region, and then perhaps another push back up if we break this 150 level to test this high of 153. So this is definitely something to keep on your watch list and is a very nice swing trade contender. So that is all. So this is the top 5 stocks I have for this week, and these are the ones I'll be watching. So make sure you set your trigger levels for the breakouts that I did indicate for all of the stocks. So to recap, we have NEO, we had Qualcomm, we have Roku, Tesla, and Walmart. So these are going to be the 5 stocks I'll be watching this week. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please do leave a comment below and let me know what you guys are watching for the week, and maybe I can give you a comment about that. So if you did enjoy this video, please do leave a thumbs up. It does really help me out, and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, so you don't miss out on any content. So otherwise, we will see you next week, and thanks for tuning in, guys.